Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Black Ops 6 crash error code 0xc0000005N. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to Documents and find Call of Duty folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. And now you just need to close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. Second step, you just need to disable G-Sync. After disabling G-Sync, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. Third step is to update the graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. Fourth step is to verify game files. To do this, you just need to open up Steam or Battle.net, right click on the game and select properties, select install files and select verify integrity of game files. Fifth step, disable overclocking. If you are using overclocking software to boost CPU or GPU performance, it can cause instability and crashes. You just need to disable any overclocking software, example MSI Afterburner, Intel XTU, etc. Return your CPU or GPU to their default clock speed and test the game to see if the crash still occurs. Sixth step, you just need to lower in-game graphics settings. Sometimes running the game on settings higher than your system can handle may load to crashes. To fix this, you just need to open up Black Ops 6 and go to settings and go to graphics. Lower key settings such as texture quality set to low or medium, anti-aliasing set to low or turn it off, ray tracing turn it off, v-sync turn it off, shadows set to low, and restart the game and check for stability. Seventh step, you just need to increase the virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance, select settings, select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After that, select the custom size. Now you just need to find how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case I have 16 GB RAM, so that I copying this value. Installer size and the maximum size, copy the value depends on your RAM as well. After pasting both values, select the set option. And now the value should be set under the paging file size. You just need to select OK to save changes. Select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select OK. And now select the restart now option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and you can check the problem solved or not. Eighth step, you just need to disable third-party softwares like antivirus or overlay. Certain third-party softwares like antivirus programs or overlays, for example Discord, Steam, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, can interfere with the games. You just need to disable your antivirus programs temporarily and turn off in-game overlay like Steam, Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and disable AMD Adrenalin overlay, and then launch the game and see if the crashes stop. Ninth step, you just need to update the DirectX because this error is related to DirectX issues. To update your DirectX, you just need to check my video description for this download link. Select your language and then select the download option. After getting download and click on it and install the DirectX. After the installation process finish, you just need to restart your PC and try launching the game again and check if the problem solved or not. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Black Ops 6 crash error code 0xc0000005 and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.